Today we take a look at Chang'an Fengjing RV. Chang'an Fengjing RV all use original chassis and modifications. It has 3 exterior colors and multiple interior styles to choose from. It is equipped with Borg-Warner 4-wheel drive system, 3-wheel drive, plus 15,000 kilometers of enhanced off-road tests. It can handle most road conditions. The interior space is spacious and comfortable. The interior is composed of a living area, kitchen, bathroom, and a rear living area. The interior is equipped with using first-class brand RV dedicated DC variable frequency top-mounted air conditioner, parking heater, and heating system. It has a large water tank of 300 liters, 50-liter gray water tank, 10-degree lithium battery pack, and 500-watt solar panel, which can meet the needs of 15-day long-distance driving. Equipped with a 2.4G turbocharged gasoline engine with a maximum torque of 320 Nm. It meets China's 6D emission standards. If you have enough time and want to go on a journey with your family, you can take a look at this RV.